Look what's coming, y'all. Look what's coming, y'all. I'm gonna be able to get resin cheap right here. What y'all think? Global headquarters, resin tech, baby. I can get my resin beads for my Unger 1 stage. What y'all think about that? Nice, huh? I might even try to get the windows. Look at all those windows. I should start thinking on this early. And be like, man, let's make a deal. You give me so much resin and I'll do the exterior for free. Just come with my water-fed pole and bust this out, baby. You know what I mean? Free lifetime resin. What y'all think? Y'all think that's a good deal or what? And I know they got other operations. They might want to send me there. Then I can charge them and make money off them. But this will be free resin for a lifetime, as long as I have the account. I don't know. I'm just throwing stuff out there, but hey, it could go anywhere. Man, stop with all that noise, man. That ain't necessary. God darn, man. You might want to hear, yeah, you got a motorcycle. So what? Nah, because if I had one, I'd be tearing it up. Wait! Man, I'll be waking up the neighborhood. They be ready to throw some bottles at me. But all right. Resin tech, baby. Resin tech. All types of resin. Multicolors, whatever you want. Gold, silver. Welcome to Masters at Wagtail. Today I'm going to show you how I work and some of the ways and why I work the way I do. Now, I just wanted to speak a little bit on Wagtail 1 passes. I've already listed the advantages and disadvantages. There's more advantages than disadvantages, but you have to work my setup, my way, in order to gain the full potential of the tool itself. Now, I'm going to show you a little technique tip that you may find that you can get on a little better with a 1 pass if you're trying to use it as just a 1 pass. If you're doing, I mean frequently, and I do mean frequently, maintain glass in order to use this product like this. All right, now you know how. All right, well, no, if you're using it as a 1 pass, you wouldn't agitate like I just did. So if you're going to use it as a 1 pass, you can start like if the glass was wet. All right, squeegee it, come down, come back up, wag the center out. All right, you can do it that way, but you'll notice some resistance. When you use a 1 pass tool for 1 pass rotation, it's a lot easier to go like this. Shallower turns. Shallower turns. How you doing? Because that water line sort of stays level on the glass. If you're going like this, you have no water to pick up, because when you come back up, all that water is running downward. All right, when you come back up. So the top left corner of this squeegee is dry. You will get some resistance. So when you think about it, it makes sense. So when you go like that, shallower turns, it may seem like a little longer, but no, it's not really longer, because you're eliminating a step, and that's the agitation process that you normally would with a traditional type tool in order to clean and do your job like you're supposed to. You can cut out a step and save a whole heap of time by using it as a 1 pass and only agitating where need to. But the beauty part about that is your rag stays dry. I did the whole inside of this diner and it stayed dry. I still used it to detail some areas on the glass even. But especially with this kind of finish, it just makes, cause see, I told you I made a series, a ledges series. It was like 3 video ledge series on how to maintain and care for a finish like this, because it shows everything. And you want that finish to stay looking like you polished it without polishing it. So if you have very little water and just dirt, a dry rag you can use and it will be fine. But if it's too much water on that ledge, you'll be going through a lot of rags. And in my case, I suggest in the ledges series that you use a baby squeegee. You use a baby squeegee to squeegee off the water, then you follow up with a dry rag. That's the correct and, politically correct way, I would say, to get it done without wasting your time and the account's neglect of you doing what you're supposed to be doing, making everything look nice. Because you can clean the window and make it look nice, but if you're using a sopping wet rag and you're wringing it out and then you're trying to wipe up more ledges, all you're doing is smearing that dirt around, and that mirror finish will show everything. But let's get to work. Let's get it on and popping. Y'all can stay for the video and watch how I move. Now today I'm using a 1-pass. I just happen to be using mine. I modded. All right. As you can tell, I painted it, but I never finished putting too many coats on, so it's fading. I'll get to that another time. But this is one I designed. It's a regular orbital channel. I made this from spare parts. I had the disc and I had the handle. I 0-degreed the handle out, and I put all the accessories on there, including my gliding strips, which I'm not going to show you on this one, because this one is different from all the others. And my gliding strip is more streamlined, but packs a punch. It has the most intense cleaning that you will find for a gliding strip, besides my other one. But needless to say, Wagtail's 1-pass, Slipstream Plus, all the 1-pass tools, the concept stays the same. So let's get into it.